Welcome to Q18 User Guide. No Q18, Multifunction Remote Controller, PTZ Power Switch, Key 1, Key 2, PTZ Type-C Charging Port, Fixing Screw, Extension Rod, Lamp Stand, Fill Light Type-C Charging Port, Manual Rotation, Fill-In Light, Fill Light Switch, PTZ Lock. First use Q18. Please scan the body QR code, download software or app store, search Gimbal Show and download. Please keep the Bluetooth on, long press the PTZ power button to connect with Bluetooth. Open Gimbal Show. Click the device button in the upper left corner. The pairing can be completed automatically. Stabilizer mode. Fold and unfold Q18. Open the phone clip and clip the phone in. Adjust the phone position. Adjust it to the middle of the phone and contact the phone clip. Press and hold the power key for 3 seconds. Start the stabilizer. Long press the photo button. Start the remote control. Remote control, click button 1. Switch between horizontal and vertical screens. Double click button 1. Jump inception. Click or double click again to stop the correction. Long press key 1. Clockwise rotation. Release and stop. Click again to stop justification. Click key 2. Enter POV, global follow, mode. Double click button 2. Inception. Click or double click again to stop the correction. Long press key 2. Rotate counterclockwise. Release and stop. Click again to stop justification. Click the photo button to start shooting or recording. Click again to stop recording. Selfie stick mode. Before starting the selfie stick mode, turn on the remote control. Triple click the PTZ power switch to enter the low power consumption mode. Push up the PTZ lock. Lock the PTZ rotary fixing screw. Adjust the angle of the phone. After stretching the extension lever, you can start the selfie mode. 3 more clicks to return to stabilizer mode. Fill in light. Long press the side button of the fill light to turn on the fill light. The mobile phone clip on the top of the stabilizer can rotate 360-degree rotary phone clip. The front and rear light filling effect can be realized. Click the fill light button. The warm light can be adjusted in turn, cold light and neutral light. Each mode has 3 gears with adjustable intensity. Double click the fill light button. Can enter burst mode. Desktop PTZ mode. Rotate the phone clip to the fill light side. Twist the black fixing screw. Press the main body down to the bottom to fit, then twist the silver fixing screw. The upper half of the main body is folded inward. After folding, tighten the 2 fixing screws. Clamp the mobile phone vertically in the mobile phone clip slot. Complete desktop PTZ mode. In desktop PTZ mode, click button 1 to rotate the PTZ clockwise at a small angle. Click button 2 to rotate the PTZ counterclockwise at a small angle. Long press the key 1, and the PTZ rotates clockwise. Pause after release. Long press the key 2, and the PTZ rotates counterclockwise. Pause after release. When used with Gimbal Show, double click button 1 to start face following. Double click button 2 to close face following. Desktop PTZ mode can also place the mobile phone horizontally. Double click the PTZ power switch. 360-degree automatic rotation. Click, double click again to stop the rotation. Click key 1 or key 2 to stop the rotation. Start special creative shooting. Or hold Con sideways. Long press key 1 or key 2. Open 360-degree open inception. Gimbal Show introduction. Gesture photography. Click the gesture recognition button on the operation interface to activate the function. Compare year or 5 gesture in the framing frame. The system automatically recognizes photographing or recording. In recording mode, compare the gesture again to turn off recording. Alfred Hitchcock. Switch shooting mode to Hitchcock. Finger box tracking target. After the tracking box appears, click the record button, right on target. Smooth movement. After shooting, Conit will automatically synthesize video for you. Panoramic separation. Put Conit in desktop PTZ mode. Switch shooting mode to panoramic split. Press the photo button, arrive at the designated position before the countdown is over. Note, the characters should not exceed the prompt range. When the photo shooting is finished, come to the next shooting point, and wait for shooting. Follow the above steps. Until the end of shooting, Conit will automatically complete the photosynthesis for you. Live face tracking. Click Live Face Tracking on the home page. Click Start Live Broadcast. In the pop-up window, you can switch to each live broadcast platform for live broadcast. During live broadcast, the mobile phone automatically follows the face. The above is all about Q18. Thank you for watching.